Hello. Today we have a bush. Nothing to beat around the bush. Anyway, it's a LCD37TV016HD, and what I can gather so far, power's on. Come with a remote. And the backlight comes on. And that's all you get. Nothing else. It's on. Nothing. There's no menu, no volume, no changing channels. Yes, the remote is working. So I'm going to rip the back off and see what's cracking on. As you can see, I've been struggling to get the back off this thing. It's full of dust. As you know, I hate dust. Right. I'm just going to put the camera behind me. Jeez, no, it's full of crap. Look at that. It's a full on. Ooh. Where do I get all these tight? Man, this thing is caked. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Look at it. Human waste. That's all it is. Right, somehow I'm going to take this can off. Which is going to look fun. So, I shall get back to it, and let's pause the video for now. Right, let's just start this. 1, 2, 3 little screws. And this prize is off. Whew. And look what we got. Mr. Capacitor. Mr. Capacitor. Capacitor. Nasty balls. That needs to go clean for starters. And be clean. Alright, I think that one's about coming to close, or to death as well. Lots of things. Yeah. Alright. Let's get this baby out and see if we do some checking and some cleaning and soldering. What do you reckon? No? He's more interested in his dinner. Right. Alright, how does that look? Is that better? There's a bit of dust there, but I'll clean most of it out. There's a bit knocking about. Better than it was. Just I'll clean over the Uber. Get most of the crap out. But they're definitely gone. So let's get the board out and see what values they are. Bit of a jet. And blast. Just get all that crap off. Oh god, crap. Right, let's take this board out, look at these, this, and see what values are, and check that one as well. And let's see. Right. Well, welcome back to this. Some closer inspection. I don't know if you can see there. Focus. Okay, that's a repair. That capacitor and that capacitor. Those two have been replaced. There's a couple of dry joints circulated around there. I can focus. There she goes. Intriguingly, there's a capacitor which is there. And I'll turn the board this way. There's one sat in there. And then there's another one sat down there. But at the moment we're going to concentrate on these and see what they are. The actual power board itself, focusing for me, Meg Meat. LCD37TV016HD, and the reference number is there. The capacitors I've gone is the favourite caps on, which is 1000 UF 35 volts and 1000 UF at 16 volts. But we shall do some checking around and then do some dry joints, and there's a couple of joints on these FETs, and it's better just check these on FETs as well. That diode and that 12 volt reg, and see. Right, let's carry on. Back over. I've done a couple of joints. I just got to clean that up down there. Put some new caps in. That should be 16 volts. Well, I've got 25 now. I do a bit more high voltage to dissipate. I've checked that one. I've checked them. I've checked those. They seem to be okay. They're the old ones. You can see slightly bulge. So there you go in file bin. Right, just gotta get in and check out that. By the way, that sits on the bottom. It goes in that way. So let's crack on. Right, just quickly show you if all my battery was down. It's all there, up and running. Right, jobs are good. Back in standby. How to stand by. So a couple of dry joints and 3 capacitors. That's it. So that's the total fix on the Bosch LCD37TV016. Just we're going to pull that together and that'll be it. Thanks for watching.